How to add ask button in Tumblr. Hi everyone, this is Kate. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can add ask button on Tumblr. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to go to tumblr.com. After that, you have to select your blog. So click on this account section right here and now select your blogs. So once you land here, hit towards your right hand side, there you will see this menu bar. From there, click on blog settings. So once you land on this edit page, you have to scroll down, and there you will see this section that says ask, and there is one toggle right here. So in order to add ask button, all you have to do is turn on this toggle, and here is this title. You can edit this title and you can simply write in ask me. So once you have turned on this toggle, you have added ask button in your Tumblr blog. Now if you go and open up your profile, there you can see the ask question button has been added right here, that is ask me. And that's the way to add ask button on Tumblr. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.